So, you want to learn faster. You want to retain information, recall it effortlessly during exams, and finally stop feeling like you're cramming at the last minute. But there's a problem: you're struggling. You sit down to study, but nothing sticks. You reread the same paragraph over and over, yet your brain refuses to absorb it. And that leads to frustration because, deep down, you know you could be learning more effectively. This frustration lingers, building up over days, weeks, months until it turns into doubt. So, how do we fix this? Here are the 6 steps to learn faster and remember more. Step 1. Teach it to someone else. The best way to truly understand something is to explain it. When you try to teach a concept, your brain organizes the information more effectively. It forces you to simplify complex ideas, spot gaps in your understanding, and reinforce what you already know. You don't need an actual student. Just imagine explaining it to a friend or even out loud to yourself. If you struggle to explain something clearly, that means you don't fully understand it yet. So, go back, refine your understanding, and try again. This technique, known as the Feynman technique, is one of the most powerful ways to learn faster and remember better, because if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Step 2. Use active recall. Most people study by passively reviewing notes, rereading textbooks, or highlighting key points. But this creates the illusion of learning rather than real understanding. The key to faster learning: active recall. Instead of just reading, test yourself. Close your book and try to recall the information from memory. Ask yourself questions, write down key concepts without looking, or use flashcards. Your brain learns best when it struggles a little. This forces it to strengthen connections and store information for the long term. Think of it like building muscle. Just like lifting heavier weights makes you stronger, challenging your brain with recall makes your memory sharper. Step 3. Space it out. Cramming might help you remember things for a day, but it won't last. Instead of studying for 5 hours straight, break it into multiple short sessions over several days. This is called spaced repetition. Your brain forgets information quickly, but each time you revisit it, you strengthen the memory. It's like watering a plant. You don't pour a gallon of water once and hope it lasts forever. You water it a little every day so it grows stronger over time. So, instead of studying in one long, exhausting session, review your notes today. Test yourself tomorrow, and revisit the concepts next week. That's how you make learning stick. Step 4. Make it visual. Your brain loves images. It processes visuals 60,000 times faster than text. That's why mind maps, diagrams, and charts work so well. Instead of reading a long paragraph, turn it into a simple diagram. If you're studying a process, draw it out step by step. If you're learning a definition, create an association in your mind, connect it to something visual or even a funny story. The more you engage your senses, the faster you learn. Step 5. Connect new information to what you already know. Your brain doesn't store knowledge in isolated chunks. It connects ideas like a web. That's why it's easier to remember new information when you link it to something familiar. For example, if you're learning a new concept in physics, relate it to something in real life. If you're studying history, compare events to modern situations. The more connections you create, the easier it is to retrieve information when you need it. Think of your memory like Velcro. The more hooks you create, the better the information sticks. Step 6. Take breaks and sleep well. Learning isn't just about steady time, it's also about resting at the right times. Your brain consolidates memories when you sleep, so pulling an all-nighter before an exam does more harm than good. Take breaks while studying. Research shows that short breaks help your brain absorb and retain more information. Use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 to 30 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout. And most importantly, get enough sleep. Sleeping 6 to 8 hours after studying is like hitting the save button on everything you just learned. Final thoughts: if you want to learn faster, don't just rely on passive reading. Teach what you learn. Test yourself. Space out your studying. Use visuals. Make connections. Take breaks and sleep well. The secret to learning isn't working harder, it's working smarter.